It's a Zuzu pet. Let me see it. Awesome. What do you say, Nana and Papa G?
Thank you.
Hey, Brandon, open yours before my camera dies.
It's a little hard. This is the spin control one.
Alright, what do you say?
Thank you, Nana.
Is that super awesome or what? Look at the camera. Tell her thank you. Okay, now hurry up. Open another one for my camera dies.
Here, I'm gonna open this one. Okay. No, I didn't.
He can do it.
What the heck?
Hurry up. My camera's about to die.
Let him do it.
He's trying to help Dad because my camera's about to die.
Let Bubba help you.
Help you. You got the other spot there. What the heck? Like you don't want him to get into this thing.
You said it's like you don't want him to get into it.
It's a train whistle!
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Blow it.
Go, Bear. Go.
Really hard. We'll teach you how to do it in a minute. Alright.
With the slide whistle.
Cool. Try it.
Do it again, Brandon.
Okay.
Yeah, and Mama, this is for you.
Oh, it's for me? Okay, so you open yours?
No, there's some more.
Oh, okay. Aw, thank you, Mommy. I love you. Aw.
John, sent you some Twizzlers.
Oh, yeah. Twizzlers, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you love those things.
This is for.
Oh, those are mine because I got to mail some stuff.
Oh, this is a Walmart receipt.
Hey, give it to me.
And batteries.
Awesome. Okay, say thank you.
Thank you.
He loves it, Mom. Thank you. Hunter, tell your Nana and Papa G thank you.
Thank you.
Look at the camera. He can't. He's too excited about
Thank you, Nana.
Too excited about what Brandon's doing.
Yeah.
Now he wants his whistle. I love you, Mom. Bye.